Wetlands are nature's shock absorbers. Wetlands act like nature's water managers. They help protect land from both floods and droughts by slowing, storing, and releasing water at the right times. During heavy rain or snowmelt, wetlands reduce flooding. Instead of letting water rush quickly downstream, wetlands spread it out. Shallow pools, dense grasses, reeds, and trees slow the flow of water. The soil in wetlands is often loose and rich in organic matter, so it can soak up large amounts of water, much like a sponge. This temporary storage lowers flood peaks, protects riverbanks from erosion, and reduces damage to nearby homes, farms, and roads. Wetlands also protect land during dry periods. The water they store does not disappear right away. It seeps slowly into the ground, recharging groundwater and keeping nearby streams and rivers flowing longer during droughts. When surrounding areas dry out, wetlands can release stored moisture back into the landscape, helping plants, animals, and even agriculture survive dry spells. Vegetation plays a key role in both processes. Wetland plants slow water during floods and shade the soil during dry times, reducing evaporation. Their roots help stabilize soil, which keeps land from washing away during floods and from cracking and degrading during droughts. Because wetlands buffer both too much water and too little water, they are often described as natural shock absorbers for the landscape. By protecting against floods and droughts at the same time, wetlands provide a quiet but powerful form of climate resilience for the land around them.